Moosehead Timber. Communities of New Albany and Pontotoc are reeling today in the wake of a devastating tornado that damaged their homes and businesses Saturday night. Residents of New Albany, Levi Williams, explained the experience of seeing a tornado almost hit his home.
Everybody just started running, crying, freaking out, and then the power just shuts off and it's pitch black. Last night it was pretty wild.
The tornado formed and crossed Highway 6 from Pontotoc into Thaxton, going towards New Albany. WTVA reports no casualties, but one person was injured in the Pontotoc County. Sarah Brooke Bishop, Communications and Marketing Manager of Northeast Mississippi Electric Power, says that after the linemen had stopped working after 24 hours on Sunday, only 500 members were still out of power.
I worked all day Monday and yesterday morning, and yesterday about lunch we fully had restored power to all of our members in the Lafayette Springs and Thaxton area, and yesterday evening about 7 p.m. we had fully restored fiber internet service to all of our subscribers in that area.
Linemen have been working for 2 days straight to get power back for these two counties. General Manager of Pontotoc Electric Power Association, Frankie Mormon, says his team responded to Union County shortly after the tornado hit to assess the damage and try and restore power.
Crews were extremely tired, and for safety purposes, we stopped around 8:30 Sunday and slept Sunday night, started back to work Monday morning, and we finished up restoring power around 3:30 p.m. Monday evening.
A little branch off of these huge trees that have come down. They are just absolutely everywhere. There's construction going on over here, just trying to clean up the mess over on Shelly Carnes' property in Thaxton, Mississippi. Here's an example of one of the trees that's been completely uprooted. This is myself next to the tree. I mean, look how huge this is. You know, this is one of thousands of trees down here. They have construction going on over here, just trying to clean up this mess. For Newswatch Ole Miss, I'm Hallie Reeves.